Welcome back to the channel, where we dive into the world of fishing with expert picks and essential gear. In this video, we're bringing you the top 7 must-have fishing tools for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're casting a line in a quiet river or braving icy waters, the right tools make all the difference. From precision-engineered rods to innovative hooks and multi-purpose gear, this list covers everything an angler might need for the perfect fishing trip. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 7. Carbon Stream Rod. Crafted from high-strength carbon fiber, this telescopic fishing rod is ultralight and highly durable, offering excellent action for stream and pond fishing. It's available in multiple sizes, ranging from 2.7 meters to a whopping 10 meters, providing flexibility for different fishing styles and environments. With a fast action profile and a slim 0.8 millimeters top diameter, this rod ensures precision in casting and powerful hook sets. Designed as a bait casting rod with a fishing power range between 10 to 14 pounds, it handles moderate-sized fish effortlessly. Whether you're fishing from a lakeshore or deep into riverbanks, this rod offers professional-level control and a sleek, ergonomic design that reduces fatigue during long hours on the water. Number 6. M390 Fold Knife. This pocket-sized folding knife is a versatile companion for any outdoor adventure. With a full length of 21.5 centimeters and a sharp 9.5 centimeters blade, it's suitable for slicing, hunting, and everyday camping tasks. Constructed with 3CR13 MOV stainless steel, the blade offers a hardness rating of 58 HRC, ensuring excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. Number 5. Breathable River Waders. Engineered for serious anglers, these chest waders from Kyle Booker are built from 3-layer breathable fabric and reinforced with a 4-layer shell on the legs and seat area for extra durability. The neoprene booties fit snugly and keep feet warm in cold waters, while adjustable suspenders and a removable belt provide a customized fit. With a waterproof zippered chest pocket and internal storage options, your essential gear stays safe and dry. These waders also come with a handy buckle rope to secure tools like scissors or tackle boxes, reducing the risk of losing your equipment in the water. Whether you're fly fishing or navigating slippery riverbanks, these waders keep you dry, agile, and focused on the catch. Number 4. Inflatable Fishing Platform. For those seeking more space and stability while fishing, this 260 centimeters by 260 centimeters inflatable floating platform is a game changer. Made from 0.9 millimeters thick PVC, it's incredibly durable and resistant to punctures. The 32 centimeters height ensures excellent buoyancy and stability on water, making it suitable for casting, relaxing, or even setting up a small tent. Weighing 30.6 kilograms, it's portable enough for transport, yet stable enough to support multiple people or gear setups. Whether you're fishing off the grid or relaxing on a calm lake, this floating platform gives you room to move and fish with confidence. Number 3. Spring Speed Hook. Designed for ease of use and efficiency, this automatic fishing device features a spring-loaded mechanism that ejects the hook swiftly when a fish bites. Ideal for lazy fishing or ice fishing scenarios, this tool is crafted from high-carbon steel for superior elasticity and corrosion resistance. The quick-release action reduces missed bites and increases hookup rates. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to set up anywhere, whether on frozen lakes or rocky shorelines. Its ability to resist seawater corrosion also makes it ideal for ocean rock fishing. If you want to boost your catch rate without constant rod monitoring, this device is your answer. Number 2. Auto Float Device. This automatic fishing float is a compact yet powerful accessory for serious anglers. Made of durable EVA and stainless steel, it offers high resilience, stability, and instant bite detection. Its environmentally friendly design ensures safety for aquatic ecosystems, while its hardtail structure enhances floating accuracy. The float is suitable for a wide range of water bodies including oceans, lakes, rivers, and reservoirs. With a compact size of 20 by 4 centimeters and lightweight at just 50 grams, it's easy to pack and deploy. This smart float not only simplifies fishing, but also ensures you never miss a bite again. Number 1. Archery Hunt Slingshot. More than just a traditional slingshot, this upgraded fish shooting tool features an arrow stand and optional laser sight, making it perfect for both hunting and fishing. Built for precision, the Slingshot includes a detachable arrow rack and can be combined with a reel for fishing activities. With a weight of only 128 grams and compact dimensions, it's highly portable and fits easily into any gear bag. Whether used for archery practice, survival scenarios, or actual hunting, this multifunctional tool is designed to handle various tasks efficiently and accurately. Its rugged frame and tactical features make it a valuable addition to your outdoor arsenal. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.